Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Today in today's activity we're looking into processing of abacha. So the first thing we did was to uproot them from the farm, and then we put water inside a big pot and boiled the water. When the water was boiling, we put as much as the pot could contain. This cassava, we put as much as the pot could contain. Then after boiling like 20 to 30 minutes, if the firewood is full, then put them down. So we allow them to cool. Yes, because you don't start peeling them off when they're still hot, because you might get injured. So we allow them to cool off. So it's time to peel them off. After peeling them off now, I'll join mommy as she's doing it. You can see, you are going to see how I'm doing it. So you can see how it is now. It's ready. So going to the fridge. Now it's time to grate it. Watch me as I do it. So I'm grating it now. You can see how it is. Watch. So this is the abacha that you see in African malls. This is how it's processed. Some people in Igbo land call it Jigbọ. And some call it Ogodo. So a typical Ngwo woman, typical Ngwo people, they call it Ogodo. But the general name for it is Abacha. So we can see how it's being processed. So after this now, you have two options. You might decide to spread it under the sun just like this, or you decide to soak it in water till done. Then you wash up to 4 good times, and you spread on nkata. Nkata is the large flat basket Ndi Igbo used to spread abacha. So this is the typical abacha that you always enjoy. You can see how it is. You can see. So very white. It's just very white, very nice, looking very nice. And when this thing is ready now, you might just want to serve it with ukwa, or beans. Have you ever heard of Ogodo na ukwa? Ogodo no ukwa? or Ogodo na ekedi or akidi. And with the normal vegetable vegetable type of abacha, the one you fry fish and prepare for more and one, you understand. So there are so many ways of preparing this abacha, so many ways. Anyone you choose, you do it and enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Remember what I said, you can always prepare your abacha with okwa. You might cook okwa and use it for abacha. Then another one very important, you see them mostly at occasions and people will be craving to have them. Akidi, especially these ones that you don't wash before spreading under the sun. You enjoy it more with akidi and beans, black beans and white beans, this type. But the other one that is washed, you can actually prepare it with vegetables. The one you sprinkle vegetables, angara, umba, bomo, fried fish, the one you enjoy by the roadside. Yes. So abacha is a very, very delicious meal, delicious food. Ndị Igbo makwa ndị dị ụtọ, hapụchakwa ndị Igbo. Now we get the real African food. Other people, they are still learning from us. Discovered a lot of food and people are copying us. So I'm proud and glad to be Jigbọ maka. Ọ dị mma ndị anyị ebe a ka anyị ga-awụsa ọwara na nke taa ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ ka emesịa nọ. See you guys next time. This is where we end today's activity. I hope you learn something. Next time when you see cassava, you can try and process it and it will give you exactly what you're seeing here.